Today, we will continue trading with our best momentum scalping strategy by using our best indicator. We will do a full analysis of every aspect of day trading. We have so much to learn. If you are good to go, let's do this. Let's take a look at how to take trades on Sundays. We will again discuss this coin with top-down analysis as usual, starting from the weekly. You might ask us, why this coin? Because it was the #1 top gainer of the day when I opened the charts. We will also learn to read our great indicator and how it helps us to trade. From the weekly perspective, what I have noticed this morning was this. Previous weekly high is waiting for us, an institutional level for our bias. Price was really close to this level, and I said to myself, why not take it out? In the daily chart, what I have noticed was price took out this inner liquidity and started to rally. And beside this weekly high, I have noticed this parabolic daily liquidity as well. So, as you can see, what I do here was brainstorming to find myself a bias, a target, a level that price can move towards. Let's check our best indicator. Why do I keep using this ICT high time frame candles by FADI? Simply, it is an amazing indicator. It shows me multi-level imbalances at once, just like here as you can see. So I knew that price was rallying upwards to take out previous weekly high. And our indicator shows that the early rally started right here. It happened while I was sleeping. However, the price came very close to taking out this previous weekly high, but not taking out. I ask myself why. I showed this example in the masterclass many times. Price needs fuel. Our indicator shows that this 30-minute imbalance was our closest gas station to grab some fuel. Let's go down to the lower time frames and see what happens there. The rest of the trade was no-brainer at all. Right in this SR Philip area, price tapped the 30-minute imbalance, which our indicator showed us. And then notice what happens here. A small micro market structure breaks. There's also a price switch that I showed you in the masterclass. Rest of the trade is just a waiting game. If you are very close to these institutional levels, like this previous weekly high, you can target them, but it needs to be really close, like in this example. I think this is a great example how we use our indicator, how we use price action and smart money concepts. Okay people, hope you enjoyed this valuable video. See you next time. Please have a nice Sunday.